Nicole here with Top Deals Club. I have a must-have that I didn't realize was a must-have until them sling bags came out. Let's take a look. They're so nifty, they're so nice, but they're so small. How am I going to fit everything I just fit into the last trending thing, which was a giant bag, into now my small sling bag? I don't have to buy another part of that luxury perfume that's in a smaller thing because now I have this. And it fills it up, my friends. You don't have to pay for a smaller version of your luxury perfume for your sling bag or a smaller purse. You just have to refill this. I'm not gonna put the big bottles in my purse because frankly, they don't fit in my sling bag, but I will use these. Super easy to use, cost effective. It is a game changer. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and I will see you guys real soon on the Top Deals Club.